Afternoon viewers, lovely little sunny afternoon here at the Benton's workshop. I've been working on a router table, so I'll invite you in to have a look. It's just about there, and I can't see it very good because I just looked stupidly at the sun. No, I didn't look stupidly at the sun, I looked at the sun stupidly. Here is basically the router table that I have been spending time and money and effort on. And the most important part of it is the bit down here and how that all works. So it's just an ordinary old piece of all thread with a 1/2 inch nut up under there. This 3D clamp that I made with a 3D printer, a couple of linear bearings and some linear shaft. There's a thrust race in under there and a bearing in the bottom that locates this. It spins really easily and that just winds that up and down. I also made it so that I can put a stepper motor underneath it here if I so desire. Now that makes all of that work. The issue I had was that changing the router cutter in the past has been fraught with difficulty because you had to get underneath here and pull that down and then unscrew a thing on that and then try and change it underneath here. But that is now not an issue because I can do this. And I can also wind it up by hand very simply like that, just to get this spanner try the other spanner. No, not that one either. I don't know why that doesn't fit. Yeah, that does. So now I can undo this. That was a large issue before, but now it isn't. So I can change that router cutter and then wind it down very simply, either quickly with the electric drill or by hand this way. So then to set it up, I've got this little square. We just pick a blade and wind that up. That's too high, that's too low, that's perfect. So perfect is like parts of a millimetre, very small parts. Now I haven't actually run this yet, so what I might do is just move this back around here, swing them out the way like that. Move that round and line it up with that bearing. Normally the bearing would do the work, but I can either move it so that the bearing's just touching, in which case like that, can you see? And then I can simply lock this. And move these out of the way, get that out of the way. I can move those into where they're sort of safely operating, like that. Tighten them up there. Move that one into there. Tighten up. And Bob should be your uncle. I haven't run a piece yet, but I might just do this. so close to perfect it doesn't matter. Infinitely adjustable, perfectly safe, speedy change, accurate. I'm talking accurate. Router table for not a lot of money. Probably cost me about probably $300, I suppose, not counting the router. And it's a sensational professional quality router table.